Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoy this content, I have a playlist full of technology tutorials like this one, which I hope will be helpful to you. But before we start, let's roll the intro. So, today's video tutorial is about how to make your Messenger chat private for those who want to keep their Messenger chats private. Sometimes we get random messages from people we don't know or who aren't our friends. So today, I'll show you how to make your Messenger chat private. There are 3 ways to make your Messenger private. Here are the simple steps, and I hope you can follow along easily. The first step is to update our Messenger app. To do this, go to the Play Store and update your Messenger app. Once it's updated, open the Messenger app. Now that we're in our Messenger, let's find the 3 lines at the top. Click on them, and then click on the settings icon. Now that we're in the settings, scroll down and find Privacy and Safety. Next, find Message Delivery and click on it. Here, you'll see 3 options to make your Messenger chat private. The first option is people with your phone number. This means people who have your phone number saved in their contacts and you have theirs saved in yours. If they message you on Messenger, their messages will go directly to your chat list. To prevent this, change people with your phone number from chats to message requests. This way, if they message you, their messages will go to the message requests instead. Click on message requests and then go back. Now, let's move to the second option, friends of friends on Facebook. This should also be set to message requests. If friends of your friends message you, their messages will go to the message requests. If it's set to chats, change it to message requests. Click on message requests and it will automatically be set to private. Then go back. For the third option, others on Messenger or Facebook, this is for people you don't know. Click on it, and you'll see that it's set to message requests. This means if someone you don't know messages you, their messages will go to the message requests. To completely prevent them from messaging you, select Don't Receive Requests. If you choose this, you won't receive any messages from people you don't know. Click on Don't Receive Requests. If you want to revert to the previous settings, just change the options back to what they were, and everything will go back to normal. And if this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the bell to stay updated with our new tutorial videos like this one. Also, leave a comment if you have a topic you'd like me to cover. Just type it in, don't be shy. Thanks for watching, goodbye.